So we are a Micromatic group, part of the Micromatic group. We deal with AME solution, deal with a 3D printing solution. So these are some of the parts we have printed for the different various vertical industries. So covering aerospace, medical and electronics segment. So we have a few parts printed for the industrial segment. So this is a case for the impeller. So where we use for try to develop a component for the aerospace application through the metal additive manufacturing technology. And the major advantage manufacturing is one of the scope for the lightweighting the component. All the aerospace structure component can be lightweight in that, and they can optimize from this structure to very lightweight component. So they can your mass reduction will be major, and their customization will be the major role in the additive manufacturing segment. And also we can manufacture a lot of the complex parts in the radio frequency, low radio frequency segment also. This has been used in the antenna for the spacecraft. And we develop a lot of a medical segment component also for the end use case. As per the patient anatomy, we develop a hip cups, knee cups for the medical engineering solution also.